Welcome to the Wesley Centre for Hyperbaric Medicine. The purpose of this patient information video is to guide you step by step through the clinical care of hyperbaric oxygen therapy, or HBOT. Please enjoy this presentation on behalf of the Wesley Centre for Hyperbaric Medicine. We are located at the Wesley Hospital in Auchenflower, Brisbane, Queensland, Australia, on the ground floor of the Sanford Jackson Building, Suite 53. We've been treating patients here since 1998. We are a fully accredited day hospital and the largest private hyperbaric facility in Australia. Wesley Hyperbaric treats Medicare, private healthcare funded, self-funded and DVA patients. We follow and treat all the Undersea and Hyperbaric Medical Society (UHMS) listed indications and guidelines. These indications are accepted worldwide as having a good evidence base for effective treatment. While a referral from your treating GP or specialist is very helpful for us, you are able to self-refer to our centre for an assessment as to your suitability for hyperbaric treatment. Through a number of state-of-the-art clinical assessment tools and techniques, the doctor will determine if the medical condition will benefit from HBOT. You will be advised of a recommended course of treatment, which will vary depending on your diagnosis. Patients are treated daily, Monday through Friday. While breathing 100% oxygen at an increased pressure, patients will dissolve approximately 10 to 15 times more oxygen in their blood than they otherwise would breathing normal air. This oxygen increase stimulates and supports the growth of small blood vessels and replication of the healing cells. It also reduces the spread of the fluid in the body tissues and helps the white blood cells to fight infection. More detailed accounts of these healing mechanisms are available from our unit or on our website. Apart from this video, all patients receive a step-by-step information session and induction to our facility. One of our nurses will walk you through our centre room by room and explain treatment routines, introduce staff and answer any questions you may have. As part of our safety routine, patients are provided with appropriate clothing to wear inside the hyperbaric chamber. Our hyperbaric nurse will check each patient before treatment and provide assistance with pressure equalising techniques. This process is similar to popping your ears to avoid discomfort when on a plane coming into land. You'll get to know our staff well: nurses, doctors, the chamber supervisor, and of course your fellow patients. Once all patients are seated comfortably in the chamber with the hyperbaric nurse, the door is closed and the nurse communicates to the chamber supervisor that everybody is ready. The chamber is then slowly pressurised or dived. To reach the treatment depth of 2.4 atmospheres absolute, which is nearly 2.5 times more pressure than normal, will usually take around 8 minutes. A fully qualified hyperbaric nurse remains inside the chamber throughout the dive. At treatment depth, the nurse will place on each patient their own pre-fitted and very comfortable oxygen hood breathing system. From there, the patients sit back and relax, read a book or even have a snooze. At the halfway mark of the treatment, the nurse takes all the patients off the oxygen hoods for a 5-minute air break, where we will then send in your favourite beverage and snacks. We then go back on oxygen to finish the treatment, which in total takes 1 hour and 45 minutes. When the time is up, the chamber will slowly depressurise back to regular surface pressure and you will be escorted out to the waiting area and change room. The treatment process is now complete. The number of treatments each person needs depends on the condition you're receiving therapy for. One of our doctors will keep a medical review of your progress throughout your treatment, as well as providing post-treatment follow-up. At the Wesley Centre for Hyperbaric Medicine, we strive for excellence in the provision of hyperbaric healthcare. We are passionately committed to hyperbaric medical education and research in order to further our knowledge and to provide our patients with the most up-to-date treatment in the safest possible environment. Our focus is to provide you with exceptional quality of care from a complete service that is committed and accountable with the ultimate goal of better health for you, our patient. Thank you for visiting with us today. Please feel free to contact us anytime by phone, email, or view our website, which covers everything you have seen today and much more.